Hey, I'm Bo, and that's my wife, Monica.
Hello.
And what are we talking about today?
We're talking about HommeFace. This is their essential travel kit. And I bought this because my husband steals all of my lotions and my
Well,
face wash and stuff when we
let's
travel. He steals them.
we're a team.
And yes,
You
but
bring it, I use it.
well, yes, but it's nice to have your own stuff, which is
Okay,
this
so tell
kit.
me what are we getting into?
So this kit has all the essentials that you're going to need. This is the face wash, which is awesome.
Better than the hotel soap.
Better than the hotel soap. This is the herbal spray toner, which you like already. So he has a full size of this, so I know he's going to love this.
Mm-hmm.
This is the serum, which you
Okay,
don't
explain
eat.
that to me and all the
So
other men.
this has ceramides and peptides, which is good for aging, like to stop,
Stop
stop
wrinkles?
rub wrinkle age defense is what I'm trying to say.
Oh, okay.
So this is awesome. And then this is the moisturizer.
Oh,
So it
yeah,
basically
I
has
dig
all
that.
of the things, and I love the carrying case, and it has so much room you can put other stuff in
Can
it
I stick other? Yeah.
yeah,
Put
look
a
at all,
razor in there and deodorant. I'm ready to go.
and it has all these different compartments in it too. So this is not just traveling for these four essential things. You can put other things in here too.
So you recommend this for most men?
I love it. If you're looking for a gift for your significant other or for anybody, any male in your family, I highly recommend it. And I give it a boom.
Boom for me.